In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Typeform form ID. This is a handy bit of information you might need if you're looking to integrate your form with other applications, or if it's required for automation processes you're working on. So let's dive in and uncover how to locate that ID in just a few easy steps. First things first, you'll want to access your Typeform account. Go to the Typeform website and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself within the main dashboard area of your account. From this central hub, you can access all the workspaces you've set up. Navigate to the workspace that contains the form you want to inquire about. Your workspaces organize your various forms, making it easy to locate the one you're interested in. Once you've found the specific workspace, select the form you're looking to find the ID for. This step is crucial because each form within a workspace has its own unique identifier. By selecting the particular form, you'll open it up in the Form Builder interface. Here, you can view all the form's details and make any necessary edits. Now, let's move on to the next step. Opening up the Share panel. This is where you can share your form with others, and it's also where we'll find the Form ID. Look towards the top of the Form Builder interface. You should see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on this button to open up the Share panel, which gives you several options on how you might distribute your form. Within the Share panel, direct your attention to the section labeled Share Your Form. This is where you'll discover the form's public URL. Typeform generates a distinct URL for each form to easily share it with your audience or team. The format of this URL will typically be something like this: t/form typeform.com to abc123. By looking closely, you'll notice a specific string of characters following the /2 section of the URL. And there you have it. Those characters, such as the ABC1223 in our example, are your unique Typeform form ID. This ID is the piece you'll need to use if you're connecting your form to other tools or platforms or managing various forms within your automation setup. Remember, this ID is essential for streamlining your projects and integrations, so keep it handy whenever you're setting up further applications involving your Typeform account. Thank you for joining me today, and now that you know how to find your Typeform form ID, you can confidently proceed with whatever projects require this specific information. Happy form building!